When we're in full employment equilibrium, if something happens to where aggregate demand would increase, then we would shift it to the right, create a new aggregate demand curve, make sure we have our arrows shifting it to the right. Remember, we increase to the right, decrease to the left. So this increase is going to put us at a short-run equilibrium. So supply doesn't change, and the amount of people in the economy wanting things is going to go up. So demand goes up the same amount of items available. So our output, or our short-run equilibrium, is going to shift or be at this point of GDP. So this is kind of like anticipated inflation. So what's going to happen is it's going to put us out of equilibrium. It's going to raise prices temporarily in the economy because there's more people wanting this amount of item that is available. So anything from sig x that caused that to go up, that would be, remember, sig x equals to aggregate demand. If anything on this side is to increase, then that means something on this side of the equal sign is going to go up. So aggregate demand would go up. So anytime that's going to happen, this could be an expansionary policy. This could be consumption simply because people want to buy stuff. And when that happens, it's going to put us into an inflationary gap. So this is called an inflationary gap. That represents how prices are going to be up right now. We can close that gap later with some different things, but this is our ADAS model at equilibrium and an increase in aggregate demand. So what we're going to have at the bottom here, let the labels tell the story. So our GDP is going to go up, price level is going to go up, and price level is really another name for inflation. Okay, so I can zoom in right there. So GDP is going up. We're not necessarily going to make unemployment change with the GDP change because everyone's already at full employment. So there's just going to be more pull or demand pull inflation on these items that are being produced right here by our supply curve. Okay.